In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the multi-point connector service or feature on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in Turn Windows, and then best result, you'll come back with Turn Windows features on or off. Go ahead and open that up, and then you want to go down and locate the multi-point connector in here. Go ahead and check mark inside of that field and then select OK. And then allow Windows to install the required updates for that. And you will need to reboot your computer in order to finish installing the requested changes. Select Restart now to begin that process. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.